I be the one and only, selfish, amazing. What? All I got, in this world is two lives. You feel me? Let's go. I'm here to rain, I hope y'all brought the umbrellas. I'll wet your long stretcher to your own two stretchers. Who measures up to me? Who is worth a few treasures? Two me fools like letters, dirt cartoons like feathers. In his belt I'm like Shredder, shredding rappers like letters. With game that will make a dyke jealous. It will turn her back, being proud that she likes fellas. You're quite jealous, huh? I'm all steel like Jerome Bettis. Yeah, one for the money, two for the show. It's time for me to give this gift to you live. You can't take this from me, you should already know. Music isn't a hobby, it's a part of my life. This might sound funny, but I want the globe to witness the indestructible selfish but two lives. My words carry my legacy. They're sicker than an STD with leprosy. I'm still outstanding even when I have a seat. I made the crowd bounce like trampolines. I be having beats blazing infamy like burning trees. Third degree like steam mill factories. Heads to crack with ease. Stepping on mugs, they're the crap in my cleats. I brought a boat to capture your fleet, subtracting your peeps, extracting your teeth from the only dog that attacks on the leash. But I'm on leash, revealed to the public in speech, taking y'all to higher levels like the green road and the peach. Overflowing